In this video, I will demonstrate how to work cables without a cable needle. Cables are essentially stitches that are knit out of order. This is usually achieved by slipping the first couple of stitches onto a cable needle, holding them to the front or to the back, working the next stitches, and then working off of the cable needle. When you cable without a needle, what you do is you reorder the stitches first, and then you can just knit them. So let's get over to this first cable. When I reach my cable stitches, I will slip all 4 stitches to the right hand needle. Now for this cable, the first 2 stitches are held to the front. So I'm going to take my left hand needle to the front, slip it into these first 2 stitches, pinch the other 2, slide my right hand needle out of all 4 and into the 2 on the left. Then I slip them back onto the left hand needle and I can knit them all. And when you do a back cable or right leaning cable, it's a very similar procedure. I'm going to slip all 4 onto my right hand needle, but this time I'm going to slip into the back. So I catch these 2, hold on to these 2 with my pinchy fingers, slip out of all 4 and back into these 2, put them onto the needle and knit them. It's a great little skill to have if you ever have lots of little cables, or if you might sometimes forget your cable needle and you're needing to do something in a pinch. But here's a case where instead of all knits, I have some knits and I have some purls, but it's also only a 2-stitch cable to make this honeycomb pattern. So I slip 2 stitches, just put my needle into 1, pinch the 1, put it back on. This time I'm purling the first stitch, knitting the second, and then I'll do the same in the other. In this case, my cable is going to the right. Slip them both, needle goes into the back, pinch the 1, comes out of the both, into the 1, back onto the left hand needle, knit the first stitch, purl the second, and I've completed that cable. So there you are, cabling without a needle. Great little thing to have in your toolbox.